My name is Helmi Kitani, social change agent. And Arab, Israeli, Muslim sound complicated, but I can live with it well. Actually born, grew up, and live in Baqa El Garbiya, an Arab town in the center of Israel. And it's important to mention before I present our organization, our activities, personally didn't face discrimination. I didn't face in my career. When I was a student in Tel Aviv University in the Faculty of Economic Studies in the 70s, my head was hunted by headhunters of Bank Hapoalim. Bank Hapoalim is the largest commercial bank in Israel. So personally got my opportunities, chances, a good career. But during or while my work in Bank Hapoalim, I actually met tens or more than tens of Arab young persons, high educated, who really seek to find a good job, to get an equal opportunity for himself. Then I decide, after finishing my job in Bank Hapoalim, I'll contribute and spend energy, time in trying to change or creation more healthy, justice, equal society in my country. Because of that, I joined the Center for Jewish Arab Economic Development in 1992. And then the CJADE is a non-profit organization founded in 1988 by joint Jewish and Arab business persons who believe then and still believe by using business and economic tools and activities, we can really reach and achieve the vision of the founders. Full integrated Arab community into the Israeli society and economy. It was the vision, and the two main goals then and still is promoting economic development in the Arab sector in Israel, within Israel, and the other is encouraging cooperation and partnership between the Jewish and the Arab communities, focusing on, again, on economy and business issues. In the center, we advance our agenda by building networks of Arabs and Jewish persons, people, leaders, who committed to joint economic development, increasing economic opportunities for Arab women by building entrepreneurial skills and courses training by using the whole package of these, I'll explain later, creating viable models that demonstrated the profitability of economic inclusion. And the last one is incubating organizations, national and local organizations within Israel that address the roots of economic inequality between Jews and Arabs. When I joined the center, we conducted research led by Professor Zvi Zussman, very well-known economist in Israel, just to search and to check the reasons